In the matter Jagdish Chand Memorial Trust versus State of Himachal Pradesh, Supreme Court refused to interfere with the High Court judgment and held that insofar as violation of principles of natural justice, in the teeth of the decision of the Council of Ministers department which made the grant, even if affording an opportunity of hearing could have been given, it could do nothing against the decision of the Council of Ministers. An opportunity granted by the department would have been a useless formality. Court also observed that the plea of promissory estoppel would not apply, since on the facts herein there can be no ground raised of the appellant having arranged its affairs on the grant being issued in such a manner as to cause prejudice on the subsequent withdrawal and unable to resume its earlier position. The question arising in the appeal is as to whether the withdrawal of an NOC or the no objection certificate to commence Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital in the private sector was proper or not. The learned counsel for the appellant pointed out that based on the NOC issued by the department, the appellant trust had set up a hospital of 60 beds, and on that short ground, the High Court ought not to have sustained the withdrawal. It also pointed out that the state would only benefit by the establishment of Ayurvedic College and Hospital, and the decision to the contrary taken by the government is arbitrary and goes against the public interest. It was also argued that the appellant having established the hospital on basis of NOC, the government subsequently could not have result from the grant, thus putting the appellant to prejudice. The withdrawal was also without hearing the appellant and hence in violation of principles of natural justice. Standing counsel appearing for the state contended that the chief minister had placed the matter before the council of ministers, which was later withdrawn by the minister of concerned department and the NOC issued based on the minister's order by the department. The state was well within its power to withdraw the NOC since the NOC itself was issued without following the rules of business. A proposal was made by the Appellant Trust, which was established in the year 2012 with the objective to start and establish educational and research oriented institutions in the medical sector to the government in the first phase of an investment meet held in the year 2014 to set up an Ayurvedic college and hospital. The proposal was considered by the Department of Ayurveda and required a project report to be submitted in consonance with the prescriptions of the Central Council of Indian Medicine, Government of India. A site inspection was also conducted by the department committee in the year 2015 on a perusal of records produced by learned Advocate General. It was found that the chief minister had once placed the matter before cabinet, later withdrawn, and then again at the instance of the minister for Ayurveda placed it before the cabinet. While the matter was thus pending, the minister unilaterally called back the files and opined that there is no requirement to place the matter regarding the issuance of NOC before the Council of Ministers and directed the department to issue the NOC, especially since no financial implication was involved. The Division Bench of High Court also examined Rules 14 and 16 of Rules of Business of the Government. Rule 14 provided that every matter included in the schedule shall be brought before the Council, and Chief Minister was also empowered to bring other matters before the Council at his discretion. Insofar as the matters contained in the schedule, the only discretion available to Chief Minister, as per Rule 16, was to take a decision by circulation in the Council of Ministers, that too only if the Council is unanimous. If there is a dissent, and also if the Chief Minister opines that there should be a discussion, it had to be placed before the Council of Ministers. As per the schedule, the High Court found that item number 17 was regarding an important change of policy or practice having statewide application, which had to be necessarily placed before the Council of Ministers. The court thus agreed with the bench of the High Court that there could not have been an NOC issued as per the rules of business of the government without the occurrence of Council of Ministers, before which the matter was already placed by the Chief Minister when the NOC was issued on the orders of Minister of Ayurveda. Supreme Court held that there can be no indefeasible right claimed on the basis of grant issued which is clearly illegal. There is no promise offered by the state or the government by reason of the invalid order issued by the department.